Broadcasting for the Sports Channel.
Alrighty, well, happy Monday. This video will be a quick trading recap on both the day trades and the swing trades. We're 1 for 2 and still green. We had a really good day today. It was pretty good swing trading, pretty good day trading. Overall, pretty good profits overall, just a little bit under half a grand, but that's always fluctuating as time goes on. But our first trade of the day was on NEO, and we set in the game plan to go long over 2150. And NEO was gapping up over that 2150 level, and I got caught in kind of an anticipatory break, so I was anticipating the breakout over 22, and we just never got that. So I went long just at about 2188. We had this nice push up, nice pullback, and then as this candle, this was a green candle at one point, we pushed up, was up a couple of dollars, but we just never got that. And then we started putting in this falling triangle pattern, and that's generally a little bit bearish, as if you keep testing a support level, eventually it's going to break down. So we entered our stop loss just about here over 2144, and that was an annoying expense trade to start the day of minus $34, but that's okay. I know exactly when I'm wrong, and NEO did continue to sell off. Should have just dip bought right at my nice little green line, but that was the first trade of the day. Next trade of the day was on Pton. And Pton, as you know, we were talking about the breakout from 101 and $100 a share and how we can really extend up through this $110 a share, 115 strike price. And so that's kind of what we were looking for on Pton. And Pton, we got this nice dip down right into support. Should have just dip bought at support. A lot of our members caught this at around this 106 here. So nice entry on their part. They had a better entry than me. But right over here, over 107.50, I went ahead and got long on Pton. So that's right about here. And we got this nice push up. Didn't take profits. I was looking for a little bit more, at least like the 108.70 level, 109 area. And we got this nice push up, and then we got the back test. And then this igniting green candle, once we proved the back test as support, I went ahead and added to Pton, and we got this nice push up. And then I took my profits right at about 108.870. And then we got this red candle. I thought this was going to have a really big extension downward. And so I weenied out and got out of my second contract right over there. But then Pton really started to prove itself later in the day. And right over here, over this igniting candle, we went ahead and added to Pton right over 108.80. And we just got this nice push up, breaking through the all-time highs, which represents this green line. Got a nice extension through the day. Volume was picking up. Momentum oscillator is looking pretty good, but I don't have too much weight on the momentum oscillator. I care about price action more. And right over here, I was just tightening up my take profit and tightening up my stop loss. And right over here, just about 110.50, we went ahead and took our profits on Pton. And that was for a nice, good revenue trade of, let's see, Pton, of about $67. We did exit one of our Pton call spreads. And so that was for a really nice profit, $20 into 36. We definitely still have some riding. So Pton is definitely going to be one of those swings moving forward on Pton. Our last trade on the day was just Square, and we were just exiting one of our Square call debit spreads. Square was in the game plan to go long over 170.50, and Square is just gapping up. And boy, I really should have bought that dip around the 173 area. We tried to fill the gap, couldn't fill the gap, and if a stock or an ETF comes to a gap and misses the gap and immediately rocket rides in the other direction like this, that means, okay, it's bullish. That means we're not even weak enough to get to the gap. So we're going to probably head up. So we had some swings, just 10 shares. So 10 shares can go a long way, just, a couple $1,000, getting, a good 10% run on that. But we went ahead and took off our call spread once we extended through this initial morning high of the day, just at about 177.62. And that was for a nice revenue trade of $100 into $177. So that was 177. So that was Square. And then Square, the swings, we're keeping it pretty light. SPY is still in a kangaroo type market. So we're going to just be looking for chop on SPY. Watch out for like the 340, 341 level. If we're going to the downside, watch out for like the 334 level, 335. We'll keep you updates as SPY is going forward, but just sideways, chop. Nothing too much going on SPY. And then lastly, we are still riding this Beyond. And Beyond, look out for it to move higher. Probably might even test as high as 180 this week. So look out for Beyond. Watch out for 177, 178, and I'll be out of my swing trades at that point. So pretty good day today. Let me know what stocks you are in and what stocks you're watching. What stocks are your favorite? Alrighty, thanks for tuning in. See ya.